Hey everybody, Jon Markee, your Builder CPA, and I'm here to talk about a fun taboo topic today, accounting firm blacklists. That's right, all of us accounting firm owners, we have a secret blacklist. It might be documented, it might not be, or it might just be a list of clients in our head that we commit to never working with again. That's right, there are some people that we all know as accounting firm owners, and we have committed to never work with them again. And in most cases, probably 99% of the time, it's totally fine. The client goes on their way, the accountant goes on their way, life goes on, no big deal. Let's talk about why you might not want to get on the blacklist and maybe a few things that you can do to avoid getting on the blacklist. So getting on the list can make your financial life much harder as accountants communicate within their network about difficult clients. So if you gave your accountant a hard time, they might tell people behind your back, and any future accountants might price that into your engagement, if you know what I mean. In order to stay off the blacklist, you're going to want to respect requests and deadlines from your accountant. There is reasoning why we as accountants request certain documents that we need in order to serve you best. If you question or if you're not sure if these requests are legitimate or if your accountant should be asking these things, definitely inquire, but please don't fly off the handle and scream at your accountant just because you don't understand the request. And when you do reply to the request, make sure that you provide complete and accurate information. If there's a lot of back and forth, if it's not all there, if you are maliciously trying to make your accountant's life difficult, it's going to backfire. You're going to miss financial reporting deadlines. You're not going to know your financial situation. Your reports are going to be wrong. You're going to make bad business decisions. It's going to be a mess. So just try to respond the best that you can to the accountant's request and help them get to a spot where maybe they don't have to bother you for so many requests. For example, if they're always asking for bank statements, see if you can set them up with view-only access at your bank so they can log into the bank's website and pull those statements for you on your behalf. Then let's all have clear communication. I know that our industry, accountants, CPAs, we have a bad rap for poorly communicating or not replying to emails. But when your accountant sits down to send you an email, it means that they're dedicating time out of their day to actually send you an email and keep work moving on your account. So try to communicate clearly, suggest a meeting if email isn't working out, and that leads into tone and attitude. I would say this is probably the number one way to end up on an accountant's blacklist. If you scream at them, if you have a bad attitude, if you challenge their fees, if you're disrespectful, all of those things, nobody forgets, including accountants. So I'm sorry if you feel like you're having a bad experience. It's not in your best interest to fly off the handle at accountants. We tend to be reserved, introverted, and very professional people. If you do come across someone who doesn't fit that bill, just try to peacefully move on as fast as possible. And if you can remain with, a friendly relationship with your old accountant, transitioning to a new accountant is going to be a lot easier. So I hope that exposes the secrets behind the accounting firm blacklist. Try to stay off the list. Best of luck. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.